So when I've harvested these potatoes, the Kennebec and Red Chieftain, there's been some question as to are they coming out of one hill or not. So let me show you how I do it. Dig a hole, put the seed potatoes in, about 8 inches, 10 inches deep, and then as they grow up, bury them. So I'd like to show you the results. We have a scale over here. We'll zero it out at 0 pounds, and we'll quickly dig them with a broad fork just to loosen the ground. Our west side, east side, and we'll see what we have. So there's 1 and 2, 3. Looks like these are Red Chieftain. Sometimes I forget what I've planted, but the surprise is always nice. They're still going. Like I say, about 8-10 inches down. I don't hill, but I do bury the holes where I've planted them. Or sorry, bury the potato plant as it grows. By the time I get to ground level, my work is basically done. So I think that's probably about it. So we'll get our scale. And see how many actual pounds of potatoes we can get off 1 seed potato. Courtesy of Jamie Howe and his dad, who gave me these fantastic Red Chieftains. And we'll see how many pounds we have. So we have 14 pounds of potatoes off 1 seed potato. You get that? So we have, zero this out again, 14 pounds of seed potato, or of potato, off 1 seed potato. Great job.